Hello, everyone, and welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to explore some tricky words that might trip you up. First up, we have this word, which is pronounced as etc. 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 is a Latin phrase that means and other things. Use it when you don't want to list everything in detail. For example, I love all kinds of food, pizza, burger, etc. Here is a sentence example. I chopped celery, onion, parsley, etc. for dressing. Next word. This is pronounced as pluviophile. Pluviophile. Pluviophile is a fancy word for someone who loves rain. These folks get happy when it's pouring outside. Imagine cozying up with a book and hot cocoa while listening to raindrops. Here is a sentence example. My sister is a real pluviophile. She really enjoys the weather in the rainy season. Finally, we have vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetables come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes and are good for us. From crisp greens to juicy tomatoes, there's a vegetable for everyone. Here is a sentence example. Vegetable prices fluctuate according to the season. And that's it for today's episode of Words Well Read. We hope you had fun learning these new words. Don't forget to love the rain, eat your vegetables, and say etc. with a smile. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in next time for more pronunciation fun. Thanks for watching.